Creativity. I'm Alex, and this week we will be making paper snowflakes. Let's get started. Alright, so to begin this project, you will need 2 pieces of the blue paper, a pair of scissors, and a pen. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so to begin this project, we're going to take our sheet of paper, and we're going to take this bottom right corner, and we are going to line it up with the edge of the paper until we have a nice point on this bottom left-hand corner. And we're going to make a nice clean fold. And then we're going to turn it sideways. And we're going to cut the excess paper off. So having your paper open this way, we're going to keep it folded. And then we're going to take this top corner and we are going to line up our 2 corners and make another fold to create a smaller triangle. So at this point, your triangle should open up from the left to the right. And then we're going to fold our triangle into thirds. So to do this, we're going to take our triangle, we're going to turn it so that this corner is facing to the left. And we're going to take these 2 corners and we're going to line up this corner to make a smaller point, and we're going to fold our sheet like this. So it should be straight across and we should have a nice point here. And then we are going to flip it around and we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to fold this side on top of our previous fold. So to show that again, we have our triangle. We're folding our first one up into the center, and then we're going to fold our second half over our center so that they overlap. And then we have a tulip looking shape. So we have our 2 points here and 1 point here. And then we're going to take a straight edge, like this sheet of paper, and we're going to line it up with this top corner right here. So we're going to line it up and create a straight line. And we're just going to mark that line with our pen. And then we can cut this excess off. And you should have a triangle. And at this point, we can start marking where we should make our cuts for our snowflake. So we will draw a straight line down, and we're going to make a shape like this. So we have one line coming in and one line going out. And we're going to make another shape here, very similar to that one, where we have a line going up and a line going out. And these are our final lines. So we should have a line going up and a line going down. And then we can take our scissors and begin cutting out our silhouette. All right, so we should have a shape that looks like this, and then we can open it up. And this is our first snowflake design. So off to the side, I had another triangle. So repeating the first steps to where we get our triangle before we start making our silhouette. And then we're going to make, we're going to begin a different design. So this design will have a small cutout here at the top where it goes in and then comes back down. And then we're going to have a curved line here where it starts right about the pointed part here and it goes down to this bottom left-hand corner. And this is our last line, which is a little bit more complicated. So we have coming from that bottom corner, we have a small shelf here, and then our line kind of curves along this line that we made previously, and then it comes back out the side here. And then we can start cutting out our silhouette again. Okay, so we should be left with a shape like this. And then we can open it up. Carefully. And then this was our other snowflake design. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I will see you next week for another Connecting with Creativity. Bye!